I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over connecting your domain to Builderall. Connecting a domain is a necessity to start sending emails in MailingBoss. Without one you will not be able to send any emails. And domains are also important for your websites. They make them look more professional and help brand you. It's important to know that all domains have a reputation, and as you send emails from these domains, the reputation will go up or down depending on various factors. To connect a domain, you need to change the name servers to Builderall's name servers. If you don't have a domain yet, you can buy one from various different registrars such as GoDaddy or NameSilo. For this example, I'm going to show you how to change the name servers in NameSilo, as it's the one that I use. So I'm in my NameSilo account now, and I'm going to change the name servers for jamesnt.com. I'm going to click checkbox. I'm going to click change name servers here. Builderall has 2 name servers, so if there's more than 2 you need to delete the third one and beyond. So I'm going to change the first name server to ns3.l4dns.com and the second name server to ns4.l4dns.com. And it's very important that there's no spaces before or after, and that they're written exactly like this. Once you have name server 1 and name server 2 set up exactly like this, click submit and it will process the change. Name servers can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, but they're usually done within 1 or 2 hours. Once they are done, you'll be able to come back to Builderall and use your new domain for both websites and email marketing. In this video we went over how to connect your domain to Builderall.